Hello, hello. We are this is our part two. Now we're flipping stuff over. You know it needs to be flipped over when it floats up, because it goes down to the bottom and then it'll flip up. So this is flipped over. Now how crispy or how much you want it depends on you. I will say this: with the batter, you should heavily season it with salt and pepper. Now you can season it, or like you would do with shrimp, with onion powder, garlic powder, and all that stuff like that. But there is a sauce for it, so that just depends on what you want to do. If you want it to be single or anything like that. And here are the finished product. It's nice, it's fluffy, it looks really good. As you can see, there's the pores coming out, the little holes that show air popping out. Now it's fluffy and great, and it tastes really good. So on the next couple videos, we're doing miso soup, some chicken. So you guys come back later. I'm cooking up a storm, and I'm showing it all to you. All right, bye.